Connect the hose with the wrench. Connect the hose with the pump. Insert the socket on the square drive and lock it with the help of the socket pin. Place the reaction arm against the adjacent bolt. Press the green button of the remote to start the pump. Press the green button until the tool completes its stroke, then release. Continue until the bolt is tightened. The wrench will stall when the bolt has been tightened at the set pressure. Detach the socket and square drive and place it on opposite side of the wrench. Place the reaction arm against the adjacent bolt and place the wrench over the bolt to be loosened. Press the green button of the remote to start the pump. Press the green button until the tool completes its stroke, then release. Continue until the bolt is loosened. Thank you.